Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper mountain climber. So let's start. You have your mats ready. So we're going to start on our hands right here. So have your hands right below the shoulders right here and then on your knees to begin with. So make sure you're not dropping your head like this or lifting your head up like this either. So make sure you're forming a straight line from your head to toe. So from this position now you're going to come up on your toes right here. So don't drop your hips like this or lift your hips up like this either. Maintaining a flat back. From this position you're slowly going to bring your knee into your chest right here. Do it slowly if you're a beginner. And then as you go on, you can add a little more speed to it, adding more cardio. So slowly, beginner, focusing on the strength, and then as you go on, adding more speed, adding a bit of cardio to the strength. So if you're a beginner, I would suggest doing 15 to 20 times, and then as you go on, you can increase that number to 25 or more. Hi, Tiger. And then also, this is a great workout for the shoulders, for the core, glutes, legs, triceps as well. So it's a great total body exercise. Also, make sure, okay, now Tiger's in the way. I've seen people do this. Notice how my hands are way too far from the shoulders. So, and then I've seen people do this. Don't drop your hips. Again, right here, and then hands right below the shoulders. In this position. So that's it for today, mountain climbers. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. And if you have any questions about how to do a certain exercise, please write in the comments below and I'll make sure to film that for you next time. Have a great day and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye, Tiger. Okay, she's sleeping. Bye.